Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting credentials. Create a Google Cloud project, enable YouTube Data API v3, and generate OAuth 2. 0 client ID. You also pick a host with TLS so the bot can receive webhooks. This avoids downtime. Once done, register your redirect URI and note quota limits so you don't exceed calls. Make sure to store client secrets securely and plan token refresh logic. This first setup puts you in a position to authenticate and start receiving subscription events. You now implement the auth flow. Prompt channel owners to authorize the bot for the minimal scopes you need and persist refresh tokens to avoid repeated logins. Next, choose WebSub subscriptions or periodic API polls. WebSub reduces API load and delivers real-time events. Once a notification arrives, verify signatures and fetch the minimal metadata you need. Make sure to implement rate limit handling and exponential backoff, so your bot behaves reliably under load and respects YouTube quotas. You finish by deploying the bot with a process manager and enabling structured logs and alerts so you can act quickly. Once operational, monitor API quota usage and failed requests, refresh or reauthorize tokens before expiry. Make sure health checks restart crashed workers and that you store metrics for spikes. If anything goes wrong, check webhook verification first, then token validity and quota errors. Handling those 3 fixes resolves most problems and keeps your integration stable and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.